Action.
So Roshewalla is like, it comes in from a space of optimism. It comes from the song comes from a space of hope, and it comes from a space of love. So the optimism being in the hearts of people who are away from their homes. They could be anybody. The fact that there is a desire to go back, and the fact that there is love that eventually, over any kind of torments or over any kind of tortures or any kind of hardships, love is the only thing that would help us prevail. Can't believe we're finally going to shoot the song. Almost a year later we're shooting.